Unable to delete folder in Windows 7. I'm unable to delete some folder on my external hard disk. I tried them to delete in safe mode too, but I'm not able to perform this. This is a big headache to me now. Even I'm the admin and it still needs the admin privileges to delete them. So how can I get rid of from this trouble? Please help me.
You could also try Unlocker. It unlocks or kills the process that is using the file /folder and deletes/renames it.
Try getting the ownership of the folder. Right-click the folder and GT, Properties and GT, Security tab and GT, Advanced button and GT, Owner tab and GT, Edit button and GT, select your user account and GT, activate Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. When done, close all Properties windows and open Properties again and GT, Security tab and GT, Advanced button and GT, Permissions tab and GT, change Permissions button and GT, add your user account and select Replace all child object. Then try again.
My husband had the same problem with his external drive. This is what I did to delete it. These are the steps I followed in Windows 7 while logged on under Administrator. Not sure that part was necessary, but I wanted to include that bit of information. Phase 1. Taking ownership. Right-click folder. Select Properties. Select the Security tab. Click the Advanced button. Select the Owner tab. Click the Edit button. Under Change Owner to highlight the user you wish to set as owner. Check the Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects box. Click the Apply button. This will take you back to the Advanced Security Settings window. Phase 2. Permissions. Once you are back in the Advanced Security Settings window, follow these instructions. Note, you may have to close out the Properties window altogether and then reopen it for the above changes to take effect before performing the next set of steps. Select the Permissions tab. Click the Change Permissions button. Highlight the user you need to change permissions for. Click the Edit button. Check Allow box next to Full Control. Click OK. Check the box next to include inheritable permissions from this object's parent. Check the box next to replace all child object permissions with inheritable permissions from this object. Click Apply. Click Yes in the pop-up box. Click OK to close Permissions window. Click OK to close Advanced Security Settings window. Click OK to close the Properties window. You should now be able to delete the UN deletable folder. Phase 3. It is a shared folder. Be sure to do the following steps. Properties. Sharing tab. Share. Be sure you have your user with read/write permission level. Come back. Advanced sharing. Permissions. Be sure your user is here with full control.
Sometimes you can't delete a file or a folder because the file name or a file which is in the folder contains a hidden character. You can delete it in a command prompt using DOS commands. A bit of DOS command knowledge is needed. Once you have a command prompt open, navigate to that particular folder, and open it. Delete all files in that folder using del. Exit that folder, and you should now be able to delete the folder.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.